Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about a Visual Studio tour, like what are the tabs here and how to use this with an effective manner, and what are the things you have to know while using this Visual Studio. I am going to tell you now. So first of all is the file, in which we have a new button where we can create a new project or repository or any file, or we can a project from existing code also we can create by using new. And from open, we can open a project or folder or website or file we can open here. You can also have the shortcuts like controls and everything, and you can have a clone repositories, and we have a start window here. Next, add clone solutions. These are the many options you can see in the file. uh, so these things, and save, you have to use control plus s to save all. We have save all and save all, control plus shift plus s, page setup and print, and account settings we have. And finally we have exit here. Next we have a one more edit option, which is tells us to go to, or go to where we have to go to by using go to. And we have all these things like cut, copy, paste, and like these things, delete particular things, or duplicate the things we have here. Next we have this clipad history. We can view that clipad history what we have copied previously, like with the things. Next we have delete, duplicate, and select all things. Control plus A by selecting all these are the options which we have in this edit options, like inclusions and multiple cards. These things we have, uh, uh, like these things you can check it out and use them, then you'll know what about those things. Next we have a view. With view, we have this solution explorer. You can view, um yeah, from the view we have in use solution explorer, you will get solution explorer view. Next, for the git changes, we can change any changes. You will get a git changes tab here when you go to view and that git changes. And next we have a git repositories. You will get it this side, git repositories. To view that git repositories, go to view and git repositories. And we have a team explorer also, where we the team foundation servers or anything will present. So for connecting TFS and everything, these things will happen here. Like we have a connect option in the home tab, like connect. Click on that connect in team explorer, then connect to a project. So TFS we can connect here. So next, view team explorer. After we have a server explorer, where we have information about server explorer. We can attach any server instances to work with in the Visual Studio here. So this is that studio, we can say server explorer. um yeah, we can connect or disconnect, we can close or unpin. In this server explorer, we get all the server related information and can connect the server instances. And next we have a cloud explorer, where we can have the cloud related information, so that we can include that cloud things here in the cloud explorer. So next we have in the view is data lake analytics and SQL object explorer, and all these things we can view by using this view, and drop error list and output, and these all things, toolbox and notifications we can see in this view box. So these notifications you can see here, you have four notifications. So this notifications list we can see. Terminals we can go, and with other windows we have many more windows, like command window, watch windows. So many more windows are there. In the full screen we have all windows we have, like what type of view you want you can select in the view. And next we have git type of things, where we have clone repositories, local repositories, github, and opening file, opening command prompt, and full fetch, all these options. Coming to project, we have these things like add a new item or exist item. In this project, if you want to do any changes, you can do the changes by using this project tab, or we can directly select the project, then you will get many more options. When you right click on that particular project, you will get options like add, and with many things like add a new item or existing item, new folder you want to add, or these particular things you can also do in this project folder, right? So all these options present there also. Next, coming to in the build thing, we have a build solution or rebuild the solution, clean the solution, like the things. For example, not the solution you want to build only particular project, then also you can do by using this build tab, like build the particular project which is present here. You can also do the same thing, building process from that here build tab also, and also at the same time you can do the same thing with the project the thing also. Next, debug, we have Windows start debugging. Without debugging we can start this thing, or we can like step over step into we can do while debugging these things we can do. Next, we have a test things like test explorer. We can have here you can see this text test explorer, where we can see what the test you are performing and everything. So in the test tab we can have all these options, and yeah, we can close these things which we don't need. And next, we have one more thing that is called analyze, where we can analyze things like code cleanup or anything, running code analysis and everything we can do by using this analyze tab. So these things will present here. And next, we have one more thing that is called as tools, where we have so many tools like get tools, or connect to database, or connect to the server and SQL things. And we have a node snippet manager, and data lake. These things will present. Connect to the server, we can go here and connect to the server here. So that is the present in tools thing. Yeah, sorry, tools. Yeah, no, one main thing in the tools we have to use often is Nugget Panic Package Manager, where we have a package manager console, PM console we can call it as. Like we can install the things by using commands in this package manager console. Like if you want to do any migrations, also we write commands in the package manager console. And we also have Nugget package for solution like this, so we can browse and get the packages here, and we can install those packages into our projects which are used for the particular project, like those things. And next, in we have a node snippet manager. Here you can see what the codes we have using in this, like node snippet we will get here. And next, we have yeah, these things here, normal things only. And extensions we can have in the Windows tab, we can go to all, we have these things. We can close these windows if we don't need that window. Next, in the Windows you can go, you can pin tab. If you want that tab to be that place only without any changes, you can pin the tab, or you can unpin the tab if you don't need. So you can see that pin button. Yeah, I'm unpinning that, it will go on. If you pin that particular tab, then it will be there itself. So this is nothing but pin pinning the tab. Yeah, next we have these things like window layout and everything we want, we can use those things. If you want any manage windows, if you want to be like that, you can set your own window layout. And if you want to reset all the window layout, if anything is clumsy manner, like if you want to reset everything, you can reset, then everything will be back to normal. It as a default window layout will comes when we use this reset window tab. So reset window, from this window layout we can reset here, reset window layout. Yeah, next these things will come. Yeah, show scroll bars. If you want the score stickers, a tab like this we can have here, sidebars. Yeah, these all things will present here. Motorbike, like vertical or horizontal document group we can make here. Like if you want to close all tabs, you can close all the tabs. Like which program do you want to win that page, you can select here. Next, we have a support and helping things here. So these are the normal tabs which is present. Here is the search bar, and it is the project name we can see here. And if you have any account signed in, then it will be a minimize and maximize button, close button we know. This is live share button, these things will know. This is for bookmarks. If you want the particular line to be bookmarked and to can be referred at that time, you can use bookmarks. This is normal commenting and uncommenting things we can have here. Yeah, quick tab means it will give information, quick information about that program, what program it is, like name, start window. Next we have files, finding the files, which particular thing. If you want to find all means it will tell you where the place that particular thing is present, that it will give that. The tracking, it will help. Next, for which server you are running, that will display here. If you are using what type of things, like any debugging or any release you are doing, that you can configure in the configure manager. Next, undo, you can use these things for going, save all and save things, and opening a project and normal things at this. Going back, navigate to the backward, we can use this. Navigating to the frontward, we can use this. Like this is the sidebars which we have solution explorer and toolbox. Yeah, you can close these things, you can also pin those things. So that's all these things that git changes we have, and solution explorer we have here. Yeah, coming to the edge and the base. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.